In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coil on your Cadillac ATS. It's located under the hood. Using a T30, we're going to remove this bolt. And now we're going to remove our oil cap and pick up our engine cover. I'm going to put my oil cap back on, just so nothing falls in there. And we're going to replace our ignition coil. I'm going to use a 10mm wrench. You can use a socket if you want. And we're going to remove these two bolts. We can remove this plastic piece with the bolts in it. And now we're going to get to this bolt right here after we unplug our connector. So let's pull that out. This little locking tab just moves forward towards you. And you're going to push in on this black tab here above the red tab. And you're going to remove your connector. Now we're going to use a 10mm socket and remove this bolt. Once you remove your bolt, you can pick up on the coil and remove it. You might have to turn it a little bit to get it past this. No need to add dielectric grease, it's already in there. And we are going to put this down, press it in. Make sure that bolt's not in the way as you press it in. Once that's tight, we can plug this back in. Lock it in. Now we're going to torque our bolt. I'm going to torque this to 89 inch-pounds. The process is the same for the rest. The other coils, you do not have to remove this. So let's put this back, lay it down, get these bolts started, and just tighten them to wrist tight, and that should be good. And now we're going to put our plastic push pins back to hold our padding down. Let's remove our oil cap if we put it back on. And let's put our engine cover on. It does slide in. There are two rubber grommets right here and right here. And they fit into these slots right there and right there. So just line it up, push it through, Make sure everything's seated right. Put your oil cap on. And put your bolt in. Let's tighten that down. And you're going to start your vehicle up. Make sure if there was any engine codes to have them erased first, then start it up, see how it runs, and take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.